This film is for entertainment purposes only. Any resemblance to anyone or any incident is purely a coincidence. All characters are fictitious. Copying and sleeping in class is injurious to health. No animals were harmed during the making of this film, except us.
Who's calling? Good morning, ma'am. Oh my god, class. Should I brush or no? No brushing today also. Straight to class.
Good morning, students. Welcome to the class. Today we are going to study about not-for-profit organizations. The sale of newspapers is debited to INE account. It is a revenue expense.
My son must be studying. La 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 la. Coca-Cola too. Ammalu, what are you doing? Is class over? Ammalu, class is not over. But I will keep phone down. They can hear me or see me. No? Oh, okay, okay.
What is the music playing? Joel! Joel! What are you doing, Joel?
Oh yes, she's not here yet, man. This 5 minutes freedom. I've been waiting for this from so long.
Yeah, man, feels so peaceful. Look at the silence around us. Oof. Bro, Ashutosh, you saw that match yesterday? UV. Bro, man, that's a tall guy, man. Ronaldo, what he's doing when ball also he can't kick. What's the point of playing the game?
Abe, this match Ronaldo has competition. Ibra, AC Milan. He's more taller, bro. He's more better also. Man, soon we are gonna be winning, man. Soon we are gonna be winning.
Oh my god, what are you guys talking? So boring. Hi, Kashish!
Hi, Sahana. Dude, Sahana, I forgot to tell you, what happened yesterday in tuition? This Azim, he's so irritating. Like, ma'am had not joined, so this guy, he kept screaming in the mic. And when tuition started, he kept asking doubts. He was so irritating.
All of you people are talking about me. Anyways, in between of all of this, where's Austin? Austin, unmute yourself. Speak something. Don't try to be the good guy here. You're making us look bad. Austin, unmute yourself. Say something. Austin, you there?
Guys, why are we like this? Let's all switch on our video. Anyways, ma'am is not here. Come on, fast. Hi, guys. Hi, Azim.
Hi, Kashish! Hi, Azim!
Oh boy,
Guys, look at Ashutosh.
Look at Ashutosh.
My God,
Ashutosh,
Ashutosh.
take that off. Come on, Ashutosh. Hi, Sahana.
Fine.
Hi, Azim!
Arey man,
Abhijit,
new
you
style
still look the
fashion.
same.
What you know?
Hey,
Abhijit, you
Azim,
still look the
Azim,
same. Yeah.
Azim, something grew on your face?
Ooh, I don't think so. Wait, guys. Oh, Austin, too special to even switch on your cam now.
Oh my god, Austin, stop being a bore.
Guys, shh. What if he goes and complains to ma'am? Be quiet.
Such a
Austin. Austin, if you don't switch on your camera, you have to give me a treat, okay?
Nothing like that. He won't complain and all. Yesterday, no tuition, nicely videos on. Simply Natak is doing.
Every time one thing only.
Teachers' petties. Where's Austin? Austin, we know how you are. Switch on your camera.
Oh my god. Why can't this Abhijit and Asim just stop talking about me for God's sake? Why can't they just leave me alone, man?
I know, right? This Austin, one hopeless guy is.
Exactly. Austin, where are you? We want to see you. Switch on your camera. All of us are waiting for you. Austin, are you there?
Oh my god, guys, this is too much, man. There's a limit for everything. I think I should unmute myself and just speak to them about this, man.
Good morning, class.
Shut up, you idiot, man.
What? What did you say?
But bro, how was that possible?
Bro, you don't worry, bro. We'll figure out something.
But without bunking,
Guys, you all don't worry about it. I have it all planned out. It's called the Plan A.
Good morning, class. So we'll pick up from where we stopped yesterday. Okay, so whoever wants can switch on their video. They're free to, no problem. So I'll just get my textbook and be right back. Okay, guys?
Bro, Zayed, bro, it's time to initiate plan A, bro. Come on, let's do this.
Cool, like right now? Cool, bro. I got this.
Plan initiated.
Come on. We got this. Come on, guys.
Intense face.
Hi, guys. Hello.
Man,
Maybe.
looking so nice today. What happened? Oh my god.
Yeah, Joel, I know. Yeah, of course. So thank you. So we'll just continue fast.
Where do you live, man? Your house looks so beautiful.
Oh, Steve, you don't know where I live? Huh? I
No.
live right in your building, the next flat actually.
Oh, yeah. But your house is so spacious, ma'am.
It's actually 2 BHK. I'll tell you all about it after the class. We'll stay back and we'll chat. I want to. So let's continue. So
ma'am, is that a gaming chair?
this one?
Is that
Oh,
a gaming?
Yes, it is. I just got
Ma'am, are
it.
you into games? Ma'am, then we both could vibe. Ma'am, we
Oh,
could
I
spend
would
like
love to
amazing
as
time
well.
with
Let's
you.
You are
do that.
always welcome.
Yeah, let's
Ma'am,
do
just
that.
wait a minute, ma'am. Ma'am, even during this lockdown period, your skin is glowing. Oh no! How is that possible? Ma'am, what is your skin routine, ma'am? We all want to know, ma'am. Right, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't know.
Very much.
Guys, I mean, we can talk about this later. We have lots of.
Ma'am, ma'am, please, ma'am.
Let's first start with how makes you look.
Ma'am, Nish wants to know, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Oh, Azim, I'm glad you
Let's
got
first start with how makes you look.
Ma'am, Nish wants to know, ma'am.
Oh, Azim, I'm glad you got
Guys, let's just do it for accounts as well.
Exactly.
Alright.
Plan A in accounts period.
Totally.
Good morning, guys. Guys, actually, your accounts teacher, she is busy with some work. So, yeah, I've taken this period. So, let's start then. Guys, if you're bad, no, then I'm your dad. If you guys have a plan A, no, I always have a plan B ready with me.
Class, today we will do exercise 7.3. They are very easy questions. I'm just going to ask you. Zayed, what's the answer for question number 1?
Ma'am, the answer for question number 1 is
Sin X.
Sin X. Excellent, Vidushi. Then what is the answer for question number 2?
ma'am, it's
It's X square plus 3.
X square plus 3. Excellent, Vidushi. What is the answer for question number 3?
ma'am sin 2.
Log modulus X plus 3.
Very good, Vidushi. Very good, very good. Now, what is the
I mean, all that is fine, but right now I've got a class, so I'll come back to you
Why
later.
are you eating potato chips in class?
You want?
Azim, there's a picnic going on over here. Why are you wearing chain? And what's up with the hand? You're doing maths. Okay. Steve? Steve?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You're sleeping in my class?
No, ma'am. I'm not sleeping, ma'am.
Oh, you're not sleeping. You're finding cure for corona, obviously, right? You're
Ma'am,
not sleeping.
I swear I was not sleeping, ma'am.
Okay, then tell me the answer for question number 8.
Question number 8. Wait, ma'am. It's
This is important, okay?
the Christopher Columbus.
You need to stop exploring your answers.
What?
Azim, what's the answer for question number 9?
Question number 9.
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 Vidushi.
Ma'am, tan inverse x.
Ma'am, tan inverse x.
Oh, I thought the answer was question number 9. No problem. So, the person who gives the answer for question number 10 will not have to do the homework. So, Vidushi, what's the answer?
Ma'am, root 3 by 2.
That's the wrong answer, Vidushi. Anyone else wants to try?
Ma'am?
Steve, you want to go to washroom?
No, ma'am. I know the answer to this question.
Oh, answer?
Yes, ma'am. The answer is log sec x plus tan x.
That's the correct answer, Steve.
Finally, no school. Time to relax and enjoy. Good morning, class. I would like to welcome you all to our virtual classes, sharing knowledge. How are you all?
Hi, sir. Sir, we are fine, sir. So, how about you?
Sir, we're just chilling, sir. How are you, sir?
Yes, sir, we are all good.
Yeah, we're doing great, sir. So, how are you doing this lockdown, sir?
Yeah, I'm going good. Nice to see that everyone is doing so well.
So, before the class starts, sir, I just want to make sure that, so I'll be having like connection issues because this is the first time that I've been into all of the online class stuff. So, I'm like apologizing right now.
That's fine, Azim.
Yes, sir. Who would have thought that we would be having online classes this year?
Yes, it is a very nice and new thing. You can see how well the school has implemented this. It's just as if we are face to face, even from the comfort of our own homes. So
it's like, it's as if like, holidays are going on and it's lockdown, but still, sir, we are having online classes. Isn't that too much for us?
holidays. There's people dying out there and you want the holidays. This is not holidays. This is going to be extra work. This is your final year. No more holidays. Forget holidays for the rest of the year.
The worst part is we can't even go out to play, sir. Just sitting in our homes, sir. It's too much, like no physical activity and stuff.
Yes, that is true. It's not easy to be confined in our own houses.
Sir,
So, but it's fine,
it
sir.
is so-
I don't think so. This is gonna last long. So let's just keep it like around maybe 2-3 weeks, and sir, we'll be again face to face, sir. I'll be smiling right in front of you as every day.
Yes, that is very much true. Let's hope for the best. Okay, class, let's begin.
Right, question number 119, okay? So ITR is equal to CRFO upon AI, okay? So ITR value is given to us, right? So we'll be like 8 is equal to CRFO upon the value of AI. So if we like do 320 into 8, then we'll get to 2,56,000 CRFO.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
morning, guys. So let's pick up from wherever we stopped yesterday. Can someone tell me the page number?
Yes, sir. We were page number 4 in the last paragraph, sir. Third sentence and with the third word approximately, sir.
Thank you, Ashutosh. All right, so
You're
let's,
welcome, sir.
before we continue, let's start with a little recap. All right. Can everyone turn on their webcams so we can have a more lively session?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Kashish.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Ashutosh. All right, so Kashish, who's the author of this lesson?
The Alphonse Daudet.
Correct. Austin, what's the name of the blacksmith?
Sir, blacksmith watcher, sir.
Correct. And Ashutosh, what are the 2 districts that was taken over in the lesson?
I'll say St. Laurent, sir.
Correct one, Ashutosh.
Thank you, sir.
All right. So now, Abhijit, are you paying attention? Are you doing accounts or something? Can you type the answer to the same question in the chat box? Oh, your keyboard's not working. Wait, what? How did you type that then? Come on, unmute yourself and tell me the answer, will you?
Sir, my microphone not working, sir.
Oh God, I can't take, no, that doesn't make any sense. Abhijit, I need to see you. Turn on your webcam now.
Sir, but I have a bottom camera. You'll only be able to see the ceiling, sir.
Bottom camera, ceiling, what are you saying? Turn on your webcam now. You're not fooling anyone.
Yes, sir.
I'll repeat the question for you. What are the 2 districts which was taken over in the last lesson?
Yes, sir. I know the answer, but I think there's an internet issue. I might get stuck.
Okay. Go on. Abhijit, can anyone hear him? Abhijit?
Sir, I think he's stuck, sir. Some network issue, sir, probably.
Yeah, it does look like it. Abhijit?
Hey guys, had fun watching the video? Well, it was pretty fun, I agree. But let's put this in perspective with what's happening around the world. It's not funny. To be true, it's very much serious.
To many people, the world seems to be a prison right now. It seems as though people are losing hope easily.
The entire world is living in a fear of pandemic. We have 2 choices, either to live smart or to perish like fools.
We've been in a lockdown for almost 3 months now. At this point, everything feels depressing and hopeless, right?
But, as rightly quoted, every problem has in it the seeds of its own solution. We have 2 options, either to stand up or fall down.
Friends, stop lamenting over your current situation. Think about how to confront this and search forward.
The Great Wars, the bubonic plague and the Spanish flu. The world has been confronted with difficult tests time and again.
But it is evident from history that humans collectively face them and emerge victorious in the end. Human nature is to find opportunity even in adversity.
Try to seek that shimmer of hope even in this situation. Stop thinking about when things are going to be normal and accept the fact that this is our new normal.
But even in this situation, few people have still not given up their fight and are still battling it out. Every time we feel it is over, just think about them. Doctors, nurses, and other healthcare workers.
Well, hope is all that we can do, because right now we don't really have any other option. It's either a do or die situation.
Even amidst the times of a pandemic, we would like to take this opportunity to thank our wonderful teachers for the hard work and the effort they've put in for us. From confined classroom learning to a completely different approach, they have made the transition look so simple and so smooth that all our bases are straight up and we are ready to go. Hats off, teachers, and thank you once again.
A big salute to the school for ensuring no hindrance to our development. A shout out to our heroes, the teachers, who have made it possible to provide us with the best with the least resources. Although the lockdown affected our lives, the education isn't, and for that, we wholeheartedly thank you.
So finally, when these times of self-isolation comes to an end, remember to thank the warmth in every hug, the love in every kin, the kindness in every being, and the beauty in every skin.
Most important thing of all is to not lose hope. As the famous saying goes, tough times never last, but tough people do. The question is, are you tough enough?
Bro, but how is it possible? Let the recording start, you stupid fool.
Bro, you started Azim, yaar. This is not the real one.
Started, my God.
Azim, yaar, battery,
Bro, you
yaar.
started early. Joel, you started early. Shut up.
Wait, it's good. It's fine. Let's start. It's no worries. No worries. Start again. Exactly. We should initiate the same plan.
Scene edukku amma. Guys, again.
Hey, bro, Steve, you should start. Steve, you.
Which was the two districts that were taken over in the lesson?
Ashutosh, I'm muted.
Hi. Yo.
Hi. Hi, guys.
What is this? Joel,
Bro, what is this, Joel?
What should we start? Yeah.
Bro,
hi,
we have to
nothing.
start.
No, hi.
Arey, bro, no hi, exactly.
What are you doing?
Yes, sir.
I forgot the question. What? Bro, I forgot the question. The same. Right. Yeah, it does look like it.
You know, I'm going to catch his here. So before that.
Guys, if you are bad, then I'm your dad. If you guys have a plan A, no. I always have a plan B.
Guys, why you laugh?
Oh,
Guys, my God.
Bro, when